Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in today's episode, this is what we are doing. We are doing a bracelet and a earring, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know what we'll be doing in the next episode. So yeah, I've put a needle on my thread, one end of the thread, and I went ahead to pick 8 seed beads, so that's 8. I'm using seed beads and pearls. So I went ahead to pick 1 pearl as well, and I put it all the way to the end of the thread. Make sure you leave a reasonable amount of thread at the end. Then I'm going to pass my needle back through all the 8 seed beads. Just like so. Now you should have this semicircle forming around the bead or the pearl, just like so. So I'm just going to pick 4 seed beads, 1 pearl. So that's 4 seed beads and 1 pearl. And I'm going through the first 4 seed beads at the top. So just like so. All the 4 seed beads at the top, or the 4 seed beads close to the thread. So that's what you should have at this point. It looks like a curved line. I'm going to pass my thread back through the 4 seed bead I just picked, so through all the 4 seed beads, just like so. And I'm just going to repeat this process till I get to the length I want. So just watch closely. It's very easy and very simple. Yeah, and guys, I got a new technique that is going to make the video more clearer. You will see it at the end of the video. It looks far way better. I got a different mat for the background, and like, I'm sure you will like it. Yeah, so if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which I'll introduce at the end of the video, is uploaded. And I can't wait to show you the next episode. I'll be doing the whole set, the necklace, the earring, and the bracelet, and they are all different styles, although the same style but different. I don't know how to tell you, like, you know. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and watch the video to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. Enjoy. So after centuries, this is what I have. I went ahead to do to the length I want, and then I went ahead to pick 6 seed beads, and I'm going through the middle 2 seed beads, just like so, and you have this tiny circle forming. Then I'm going to pass my thread back through the first seed bead or the last seed bead, any of them, how you want to mention. It was 4, and we passed our needle through the middle 2, so there was 1 at the end. Now I'm going to pick 10 seed beads. That's 10. And I'm just going through the first 4 seed beads in between the pearls. So I'm just going to pass my needle through just like so. Just the 4 seed beads. And you can see it covers the pearl perfectly. So I pick another 10 again. I'm going through the next 4 seed beads downwards. So we are just going to be going upwards and downwards, so we cover all the pearls. Basically, that's very simple and very easy. So just watch closely, and then we'll just go ahead and finish it up, how we will lock it, and then we'll just do the earring. And then I feel like I'm saying then too much. Yeah, after the earring, I'll go ahead and introduce the next episode and we'll be out of here. It's just 12 minutes, less than 13 minutes and you have a bracelet, an earring, and the next episode. So do enjoy the video. So this is the last but one seed beads I have to pick. No, this is actually the last seed beads I have to pick. So I went ahead to pick 10 and I'm going through the last 4 sets of seed beads, just like so. So that's through all the 4. Now you can see where our thread we started with, the short thread is. So I'm just going to pass all my I'm going to pass the needle through all the seed beads and get to where the thread is. So I'm basically passing all the I was about to say all the needle. Meanwhile, the needle is only one. I'm going to pass the needle through all the seed beads and get to the short thread. Once I have my threads meeting at the same place, I'm just going to pick 6 seed beads with a needle. Oh, it's raining. 6 seed beads on the needle. Then I'm going to pass my thread back through 2 of the seed beads close to the thread. So the first 2 seed beads close to the thread, just like so. Then we should get our circle we got earlier back. Now since the 2 threads are at the same place, I can go ahead and tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread. Now what I just did, I just moved the threads a bit away from the knot so that I can just cut them separately. It saves your work a lot. So I didn't do anything extra. I just passed the needle through a couple of beads to get away from the knot I created. And guys, this is how my bracelet looks like. I didn't like how the necklace looked like. That's why I didn't introduce the necklace, but I felt this design is okay for bracelet and earring. So I'm just going to finish it up real quick. I'm using clasp ring and my locker here. So I just went ahead to connect my jump ring to the locker, and I connected it to one end of the bracelet. Very simple. Like, it's very easy and very simple. So yeah, this is how the bracelet looks like. It's very simple and very easy. If you want to try how the necklace will look like, you can go ahead and try. It's the same design, the same style. You can go ahead and give it a try, but it wasn't nice for me. I felt it wouldn't be nice with necklace, but it was okay with bracelet. So with the earring, I went ahead to do only 3 of what I just did. I didn't want to bore you with the procedure again, so I'm just going to pass my needle through any of the tops, about 2 of the seed beads at the top. Then I went ahead to pick, I was supposed to pick 2 seed beads on each thread, but I ended up picking 3 on my right. It was a mistake. So 2 seed beads on each thread. Then I'm just going to get rid of the needle real quick. and I went ahead to put one pearl. So I'm passing all the 2 threads through one pearl, just like so. So basically that's how our earring should look like at the end. Now let's finish it up real quick. So I'm going to use stoppers, and I'm going to use a earring holder. This is how my stoppers looks like. It's round, metallic, looks like a seed bead. So I'm just going to put 2 on it. So that's 2. I mostly use 2 of the stoppers. The stoppers prevent the thread from coming out once you press them. Then this is my earring holder. I'm just passing the threads through my earring holder, then back through the stoppers and the pearl. Once that was done, I went ahead to press the stoppers very hard using my flat nose or flat mouth, however you know it. So I'm just pressing it extremely hard, just like so, so that once we get rid of the excess thread, our work wouldn't be ruined. So I'm cutting off the excess thread, and guys, this is my earring. Very simple, very easy. Like, it's simple and it's nice. You can try it. You can go ahead and try with different colors. And guys, let's welcome the next episode. Yeah, like, check the background out, like, and check how the color is. I didn't have to do much of editing because of how it is, yo. So if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment this episode, this gorgeous design here, is uploaded. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.